Do you want to make $500 to $1,000 a day without needing any license? I know 3 underrated jobs that can create that cash flow. Let's go check them out. Home inspection. Every real estate transaction requires a home inspector, and every home inspector can do 1 or 2 inspections a day and generate between $200,000 to $250,000 a year. Let's go check out the numbers. Home inspectors can do 2 inspections at $500 per inspection. That equals to $1,000 per day. Now, if they work 5 days a week, they can generate $5,000. If you multiply that by 4 weeks a month, that'll be $20,000 a month. Now, in 12 months, you'll be making $240,000 a year. Number 2 on the list is real estate photography. While this job can be super fun to do, it can also generate between $180,000 to $200,000 a year. Let's go check out the numbers. Real estate photographers can do 3 shoots a day at $250 per shoot, equals to $750 per day. Now, if they work 5 days a week, they'll be making $3,750 per week. Now, if they work 4 weeks, that's $3,750, that equals to $15,000 a month. Now, in a year, in 12 months, they'll be making $180,000 a year. Number 3 on the list, in my opinion, is the most underrated job that can create between $200,000 to $250,000 a year. Floor plan measurement. Let's go pull out the numbers together. Most floor plan companies can do 3 floor plans a day at $300 per floor plan. That equals to $900 per day. Now, if they work 5 days a week at $900, they will be making $4,500 a week. Now, in 4 weeks, $4,500 can generate $18,000 a month. In a year, in 12 months, they'll be making $216,000 a year. Now, who's ready to make real cash? Share this video with the ones that you know are looking to make more money.